As billionaires say, time is equals to money. But as rapid evolutionary phase going on around the globe, the importance of time has went one step further to time is equals to time. Time banking, where you can deposit your time and withdraw it whenever you need it. Let's understand this today. Time banking is a mode of exchange that lets people swap time and skill. The concept is simple. In joining a time bank, people agree to take part in a system that involves earning and spending time credits. When they spend an hour on an activity that helps others, they receive one time credit. When they need help from others, they can use the time credits that they have accumulated. Interestingly enough, this organized way of time banking takes place in more than 30 countries, including China, Russia, and various countries in Africa, Europe, North America, and South America. In the United States, there are about 500 registered time banks, and together they have enrolled more than 37,000 members. So this time credit system has two distinct meanings: that it embodies a kind of a purchasing power, and it conveys a sense that one's work has value. Though India is yet to implement this system at a grand level, but there are few NGOs operating on this concept. However, वहाँ पे members serving their time to others needy of their services and time are 60 and above. However, I know some amazing vibrant youth utilizing this time concept into their startup idea and making a for-profit organization by delivering services to elderly people. It can be like, spending time with them or listening to them or playing indoor games with them, whatever their needs are. So this entire concept of importance of time has evolved more than ever before. Because as we know, time is not the only factor. It always goes with your energy, your efforts, your intelligence, your wisdom, your services, or least your attention. So how do you choose to manage your time and can help others do the same? Do let us know in the comment section. And if you find yourself surrounded by those people who keep on asking from you for your free goods or services, or manipulate you into believing that your time and services has no value, then do share this video with them and help them upgrade a bit with a message that will soon mamu.